Hey, I'm Grayson Leverins, Chief Marketing Officer at Spiffy. I have worked in the automotive industry for almost 8 years, and my number one car care tip is to keep a roll of poop bags in your center console. You can pull them out after every trip, hand it back to your kid in the back seat, and they can be in charge of clearing out their own trash. Go. Go, Jones, go.
I'm Jess Howard, VP of Finance and Corporate Controller at Spiffy, and my number one car care tip as a mom of 2 lovely ladies is to keep some kind of trash can in your car. I have one like this that can hang on the back of the seat, and it has some side pockets for things like wipes to help you clean up messes, and a little opening on the top where the kiddos can throw in their trash and helps keep the clutter and the trash out of your car.
Hi, I'm Sonia Stockton, team lead of Spiffy's customer care department. My number one car care tip when having kids is to keep a pack of baby wipes in the glove compartment. They will always come in handy. You can hand them back to the sticky fingers, the sticky faces, the fingers in the windows, and the stuff that they spill on the seats. Have a good day.